Would you believe that this blurred and low-quality video can be converted into 4K Ultra HD with just one click? Today I'm going to show you an AI tool that can completely transform video quality. If you create YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or short videos, you probably know that cinematic visuals instantly attract the audience. But imagine this, you can generate AI videos just by writing text, or convert images into cinematic videos. All of this is possible with Hitpaw. In this video, I'll show you its powerful AI features step by step. In Hitpaw Vikpea, inside the video enhancer section, you can find different enhancement scenarios. For example, regular video enhancement, H8D video enhancement, enhancement for game recordings, enhancement for low-quality anime videos, video sharpening. There are many different models designed to enhance different types of videos. I have a blurred and low-quality video, so I will add it to the HD video enhancement option. You can select any general model depending on your video. But I'll choose the UHD resolution model. Then I'll select 4K resolution in the export settings. Now let's preview the result. You can clearly see the before and after quality of the video. The video has now been enhanced to 4K. You can clearly notice how hair details and facial details have been enhanced in very high quality. The quality looks absolutely insane. You can also create image to video. Just go to the video generator, select image to video, then choose the AI model and upload your image. Then choose ratio and duration and click start. After waiting for a few moments, your video will be ready. This video is generated from an image, and you can see how smooth and high quality the result looks. Now let's generate a video using a prompt. I'll go to the video generator and select text to video. Then I'll choose an AI model for generating the video. Next, I'll select the resolution and aspect ratio, and you can also change the duration in seconds. Now I'll paste the prompt and click start. Let's wait for a few seconds. And here is the result. You can see the cinematic video, the realistic details, lighting, and full body visuals are generated very nicely. One feature that I really liked is that you can easily convert black and white videos into color videos. Using the video repair tool, you can remove glitches from videos, remove flickering, fix unplayable videos, correct video issues, fix video stuttering. You can even add sound to your videos. With the AI toolbox, you can remove text from videos, remove video backgrounds, change video FPS to make it smoother, stabilize shaky footage. Honestly, Hitpaw Vikpea AI is extremely powerful. This AI tool can make your video editing work much easier. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.